Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your TP-Link Tapo devices with Tapo app firmware updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Tapo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, locate the device you wish to update. Tap on the device icon to enter its settings. Scroll down to find and select the device settings option. Look for the firmware versions section. If an update is available, a notification will appear here. Tap on the update button to begin the process. Follow any on-screen prompts to proceed with the update. Make sure your device remains connected to Wi-Fi during the update. Wait for the update to download and install. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the update is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Your device may restart automatically after the firmware update. Check the firmware version again to ensure it has been updated. Repeat these steps for any other Tapo devices you wish to update. Your Tapo devices are now running the latest firmware for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.